Let's make a scarf today. I will be using US terms in this video and the pattern will be at the end for you to screenshot. I'm going to start by grabbing some yarn. This is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. I will be using a 9mm hook. I'm going to start by making a slip knot and chaining 91 or until about 45 inches. To make a slip knot, wrap the yarn over your index and middle finger. Put the crochet hook under the yarn to pull it through. To chain, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. After finishing the scarf, the final measurements came to 60 inches in length. Keep in mind the material of the yarn and size of the hook that you are using. These will both affect the final length. What I like about making a scarf is the length can vary and still come out really nice. We'll begin row 1 by working into the second chain from the hook, then single crochet in each stitch. This will bring us to 90 stitches in each row. To single crochet, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull a loop through. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through the loops on your hook. When you get to the last stitch, chain 2 and flip your work. Do this at the end of each row. This is called a turning stitch. The reason we're chaining 2 now is because we will be working a half double crochet stitch, which is taller. We will continue this pattern until row 8 or until the width is 7 inches or however you'd like it. So let's start row 2. Start in the third chain from the hook with a half double crochet. For this stitch, yarn over. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull the loop through all 3 loops on your hook. This is 1 half double crochet stitch. Repeat this in each stitch across. Make sure that at the end of each row to chain 2 and flip your work. Then begin the following row in the third chain from the hook. In the same place we put our last stitch, we are going to fasten off. To do this, slip stitch by inserting your hook into the stitch and pulling a loop straight through the loop on your hook. Then chain 1. We're going to leave a long tail and cut with our scissors. To be safe, I left about 24 inches. We'll use this to sew the ends of our scarves together. Take this tail and pull it through your yarn needle. Fold the scarf so one end looks like this and the other looks like this. Line up the stitches like this. Start on the end and secure by sewing each stitch together. When you get to the end, secure it with a double knot. Weave in your ends and cut. Now flip it around and we're all done. The final dimensions came to 60 inches in length and 7 inches in width. And that is our infinity scarf. Thank you for watching. I will put the pattern on the next slide for you to screenshot. Bye.